What happened to BTS's V? Not long ago, V, better known as Taehyung, was seen enjoying some relaxing time at a cafe. However, there was something different. He was wearing a military uniform, which clearly immediately caught the attention of many people. This unexpected appearance immediately became a topic of conversation on the internet, making netizens surprised to see this BTS member in a very different mood than usual. V, who is currently undergoing military service, is now in the spotlight not only because of his status as an idol, but also because he remains charming even though he is wearing a military uniform. Fans were immediately excited to see him enjoying a cup of drink at the cafe. The circulating video further strengthens the relationship between V and ARMY, who feel closer to their idol. However, there is something more interesting. Does V's appearance at this cafe have anything to do with a special event held by fans to celebrate his 29th birthday? After the event held by fans around the military base, speculation arose. It turns out there is a possibility that V came to the cafe to celebrate his birthday with the soldiers around there. A sweet moment that further strengthens V's closeness with ARMY, even in the midst of his military service. But wait, there's more surprising news. BTS's V will reportedly appear in the highly anticipated second season of Squid Game. How is that possible? After BTS's V appeared in a masked guard costume at the Permission to Dance on Stage concert in Los Angeles, many fans began to suspect that it was a hint that V would join Squid Game. Don't miss it. V's closeness to Squid Game's main actor, Lee Jung-jae, further strengthens this speculation. The two have been friends for quite some time and are often seen together on several occasions. Is this a hint that V will appear in Squid Game too? Plus, V's friendship with ZEA's Im Saiwon, who also joined the second season of Squid Game. Even more exciting, the release date of Squid Game 3 has been leaked to the public and almost coincides with V's military service completion date, making fans even more convinced that there is a connection between the two. 27V2, that appeared on V's Instagram post, has further heated up the speculation. Will V make a comeback right when Squid Game 3 airs? Even more surprising, in a recent interview with BuzzFeed, actors Lee Jung-jae and Wee Ha-joon just laughed when asked about V's involvement in Squid Game and chose not to give a definite answer. This actually adds to the curiosity of fans. Are they hiding something big? Even more interesting news, fans are increasingly convinced that V might play a bigger role in Squid Game 2. If true, this could be V's big acting debut in the drama world, considering his incredible popularity. Some netizens even speculate that V could get a role with a big influence on the Squid Game storyline. If this is true, it would certainly be a big gift for ARMY and K-drama fans all over the world. However, ARMY remains realistic and understands that all of this is still speculation. There has been no official confirmation from Netflix or BTS's management. However, fans certainly can't wait to see if V will appear in Squid Game. V is always full of surprises. If he really appears in Squid Game, it will be the biggest surprise for us, said a fan on social media. There are also those who mention V's incredible acting skills, especially from his appearance in the 2016 drama Hwarang, where he played the character Han Sung. Despite his small role, V managed to captivate the audience with his charm. If V were to return to acting, Squid Game could be the perfect stage to showcase his acting talents. BTS's V, who is known for his stunning visuals and incredible talent in the music world, is enriching the entertainment world with his always surprising appearances. After much speculation about his possible appearance in Squid Game, fans continue to debate how big a role he might play. Some speculate that V will fill the role of a charming main character, while others think he will appear in a surprising cameo. Whatever it is, fans' expectations are getting higher. Some even say that his closeness to actors Lee Jung-jae and Wee Ha-joon is a strong clue. On social media, various theories have emerged, from those that say V will appear as a mysterious character to those that reveal the high possibility that he will appear as one of the guards who has an important role in the story. If true, this would be a big debut for V, who is already known for his prowess on stage, but has yet to really show his acting skills. Some fans have even speculated that V's impending military service could be related to his appearance in Squid Game. Given that the air date is almost the same as his military service, many argue that V might be ready for a big comeback, which will surely amaze ARMY and K-drama fans all over the world. Moreover, the highly anticipated Squid Game is a perfect platform for V to explore acting further. Not only that, in several interviews, V has often mentioned his interest in art and drama. This shows that V is already preparing himself for the possibility of stepping further into the world of acting. Fans are also hoping to see a new side of V, who not only relies on his idol charm but also his in-depth acting skills. Of course, a role in Squid Game would be a big step for his career. However, despite the many theories circulating, until now, there has been no official announcement from Netflix or BTS's management confirming V's involvement in the second season of Squid Game. This makes fans even more curious and makes speculations grow. Every move by V on social media now always gets extra attention from fans, who hope to find further clues about his involvement in the phenomenal drama. BTS fans and Squid Game fans alike are looking forward to whether V will actually appear. Some believe that his appearance will elevate Squid Game's popularity to a higher level, with his undeniable charm and wide influence in the entertainment world. Not a few are convinced that V's role could be one of the biggest attractions in the second season, bringing a fresh new atmosphere to the story. Several sources in the entertainment industry also revealed that V has great potential to join big projects after his military service is over. If it is true that he participates in Squid Game, it will be his acting debut that is highly anticipated by fans who have supported him for a long time. Not only just appearing, many believe that V will give an extraordinary performance that will amaze everyone. In addition, rumors about V's involvement in other big projects have also begun to circulate. Some link it to new films or dramas that are being produced by various big production houses. Various possibilities are open for V, who has extraordinary talent and the potential to spread his wings further into the world of acting. As time goes by, BTS fans continue to give their full support to V, even though he is still serving in the military. The great power of fans and their dedication to supporting their idol is undeniable. Even when V has to be absent from the stage, fans continue to faithfully wait and trust that he will return stronger and more impressive. With the end date of V's military service approaching, expectations for him are soaring. BTS fans now hope that V can immediately step into new, bigger, and more challenging projects, including in the world of acting. They are sure that V will bring new, refreshing things to every project he takes on, including if he really joins Squid Game. BTS's management itself also seems to be very supportive of its members' solo careers. Not infrequently, they give BTS members the freedom to explore various other fields outside of music. This indicates that it is possible that V will make the transition to acting after completing his military service. All of this makes fans even more hopeful that there will be big surprises in the future, especially related to Squid Game. Despite the many speculations circulating, one thing is for sure, V is always able to steal the show at every opportunity, whether it's on stage, in the world of social media, or even in his unexpected appearances like at a cafe. Fans are increasingly confident that V, with all his charms and talents, will continue to surprise them with every step he takes, especially if he is really involved in a big project like Squid Game. Will BTS's V really appear in Squid Game? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, ARMY will always support him, no matter what.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time.